Hello friends of the internet, it's me, RG456 here, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the updates. The first one is Graham's Adventure's gone. Graham's Workshop, not Adventure, come there. Graham's Adventure is gone, there's a new loading screen. There's a new gym on Township, and I'm gonna follow this person. Oh, it's the map glitch. It's the map glitch. And they brought the pumpkin chair. Back to stores. Yay! Thank you, AJ. I worked my heart and soul for that chair, and you brought it out. Thank you. Oh, this is my friend from school. Fairy Tale. Please buddy her, she needs it. She got hacked by, not this person, but another person. I don't remember. And it's and see, there's my pumpkin chair. There's my pumpkin chair. I just got it, and I looked at the stores, and I saw it there, and I was just like, what? What? AJ, why are you so mean? And I just decorated this whole entire den, tried to make it look pretty for this video. Turned out alright, but it's fall now. So that cherry blossom has to be out. So is there a new party? I think there's a new party. No, there's not a new party. And we got some new items! Yay! And the news. An Arctic Fox. And if you guys didn't know where the clue is, I'll show you where the clue is. A lot of people wanted to know where the clue is, so I'll show you it. Never share your password. Why would you share your password anyways? The pandas has swag. Clue. It's right there. This is the clue right here. It's beautiful, isn't it? No, the ice doesn't work. You can't jump on it. It won't break. I'm sorry to break that to you. But, oh, you can have 300 items in your inventory now. Like everything. You can have 300 items, so you won't have to worry about recycling for a while. What else is there to talk about? Let's... What just happened? What'd I do? Okay, so it turns out that I accidentally closed out of the game. Or my game crashed. So anyways, to the maze. I'll only show like a little bit of it because I don't want it to take forever. I didn't even know you could have hamburgers at Thanksgiving, but alright. Fine with me. They sure look happy about it. Come on, you can do it. do it. Okay, thank you. Find your way through the maze to reach the end. This looks a lot like the time I almost got lost in the cornfield that one time. That was not fun. No, it will never ever be fun. Again, I'm never going back there. This is very, 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 very amazing. The blah. Okay. This is a corn maze, a corn maze. This is a corn maze, a corn maze. Oh. What's the matter? You were not lost, are you? You're helping a lot, Stein. Yes, I'm lost. I haven't played this adventure in a really long time. This is a nice looking adventure, AJ. I know this has been out before, but I haven't played this in a really long time. Corn is not that bright yellow though. It's more greenish, I think. Oh, well, I live in the city. I don't know what I'm talking about. Living in the city, ain't it beautiful? You are sure not helping, Sign. This is a cherry bite, a cherry bite. This is a cherry bite. Key, I need that. Berg. I actually need to navigate my way through this cluster of a maze. Okay. I got a green key. I love the color green. Okay, I just need to get back to the chest. So yeah, this is basically an adventure. You have to navigate your way to find the end, and I think there's a prize at the end. Hopefully it's not as long as Lucky Clover's, because that was just ridiculous. AnimalJam.exe is not. Thank you so much. I actually need those gems because I'm really poor right now. I'm poor in betas, I'm poor in rares, I'm not doing so well. Okay, where is the end? That's what I really want to know. How'd they get those colors though? That's really pretty. Personally, my favorite season is the fall, but I really like winter too. What is going on with that sign right there? This is a cluster. I'll get back to you, if I find oh, this is only for polar bears? If I find the end of the maze, I will cut to it. If I don't find the end of the maze, I will just cut away from this. Okay, guys, I think I found the end of the maze. Or did I? Oh, I think I did. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Thank you so much. I need autumn stuff. Oh, this is more of a maze. You know, I think that's good enough for me. That's really cool. I haven't played that adventure in a really long time, so I'm just gonna decorate it in. Just to get ready for fall. Here we go. I've got my little fall tree right there. Yes, this is Wolf Girl, long time no see. And, yep. So these are basically the updates. I hope you enjoyed that really long piece. So, bye everybody.